Hello and welcome back to our live reaction for Rifle is Beautiful episode 8. I'm X Creek and that's Hells.
Hello.
All right, so there was an episode 7.5
That we didn't
last
even bother
week,
to check.
but we don't even we don't want to check. I'm guessing it's just a recap or whatever. However, in the case that it's not a recap, I doubt it. Maybe someone can put it in the comment and tell us whether we should watch it or not. Okay, then let's begin this episode in three, two, one, go. It's summer vacation. 2 weeks until the nationals. Okay, wait, what? Oh, that's not a very good score. That's true. Yeah, other people can't even help you with your posture.
It is a real cup, though. Yeah.
Yeah, very short. Oh my god.
Hmm.
Which means she's shorter than the 147. That's well, it's not really that weird, right? A
Okay,
lot of
everyone. I know
people,
what everyone is thinking, but it's not doesn't make it okay to draw a lolicon
well,
dojin. Okay, just saying.
actually, it's okay. It's just a dojin. It's 2D. Who cares? Do whatever you want. It's 2D. But I mean, a lot of people in our country is around that height, maybe a bit taller than that, but there's still a lot of people who are very short.
Yeah, but that might have to do with malnutrition.
Yeah, mostly people who doesn't live in the big cities.
Yeah.
But then again, I've seen people who are that short.
Yeah. Kind of.
Yeah,
You mean
which is why
squishy?
when people usually say that, oh yeah, anime girls are unrealistic, they're too short. Excuse me, there, Mister Westerner, you're
Mm.
oversized. I, I mean, what?
Yeah. Short girls really do exist.
Yeah, there's a lot of short girls in Asia, at least. Maybe they have enough nutrition there in your country. But year by year, people are getting taller, right? The average, at least.
Is it? Doesn't.
Yeah.
I mean, I haven't been going to like any schools lately to check. So.
Well, take ourselves for example. Some of us are most of the people who are around our age, right? At least our the generation here, the young generation right now are mostly taller than their parents. Not all of them,
Yes,
but most of them.
most of them. Yeah.
That's already that already shows you that the average is going up.
I guess that's fair.
Yeah, unless the parent shrunk somehow, I don't know, but I think I think that should be true, right? 7 wonders. Oh, what? She's training again after. Oh, wait. She didn't really train just now. Oh, so this is the one with. Huh.
Did she make it?
I don't know. I think so. I think she made it. I think. What is that? Is it still Pokari? I don't think so.
Pocari drink.
Today's just use it Pokari? I don't think so. Okay. Okay. Why did she say juice? That's not a juice.
I mean, it's sugar water.
But that's not a juice.
And
That's
it's
not what a juice is. I know water and sugar is a huge part of it, but there's usually some kind of fruit involved. Uh,
but what? What?
Okay. Uh-huh. Oh, she wanted to do something else. Look, is I don't think the mini market is counts as sightseeing, right? Going to the mini market,
I think it means like
how far it is from civilization, yeah,
yes.
kinda.
I mean,
Are
like if
you?
it's actually 10 kilometers away from the nearest convenience store,
That's
that might as
true.
well be like a place for hermits.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah, it is very isolated then. Yeah, it's perfect for like a close room, isolated murder. I mean, what? Ah, okay.
You need stamina, I guess.
Yeah, that's true. If
I
you're
feel
going
like
to
you need more
stand,
stamina to stand.
yeah, stand and like holding something. You should practice with like holding a barbell or something, right? For half an hour or so.
Holding a posture.
Yeah, yeah. With a bar with a dumbbell on your hand. Because if you can do that for like a half an hour, you can hold a rifle for like 45 minutes easy, I
I thought
think.
if you hold something of such weight for too long, it just makes your hand shake.
It's true. I mean, like, if your body is used to holding a dumbbell for long, when you hold a rifle, which is lighter, it should be easier, right? Oh,
I guess, yeah.
maybe. I don't know. Is that even true?
I mean, I'm not the one who tested it.
Yeah. Oh, well.
By the way, there's the S and R next to the ready. Do they mean anything? And why does it always have a
No
crown
idea.
on the top?
Oh, oh, oh. Oh
Wait, what?
no.
What do you
She's
mean
the only
traitors?
one. She's the only one who have the worst, like under 600. Wow. But then again, as like before, right? She aims better in when she's
In
in
a
the competition
competition.
itself. Yeah. So I don't think they need to worry that much, maybe.
Well, is she worried or not? Can't tell.
Hmm. It's fine. Yeah. If she likes if she likes doing it, then it's fine, right? As long as it's not illegal or bad for her, it's all good. Wow, that's a bit harsh, though. That's a bit harsh, though.
Hmm.
Oh yeah, that's true. Okay. Uh Look at that cat. Yeah, sure. The cat completely ignores her.
She gonna okay. I thought she was just gonna sleep through the alarm.
No. Well.
Giuseppe
Just
Sensei isn't driving. I mean, she did crash, I guess.
Yeah, that's true. She did. Ooh. Now we'll see. Oh, you didn't actually say that. Yo, what does that mean? Oh,
Oh, it's that chick in the ending.
ah. Ah.
Did you go to the bathroom already?
I think she forgot.
You don't just forget wanting to go to the toilet.
Well, because she bumped into them and then they're still talking.
Wait, isn't that the toilet
Oh,
right behind you?
yeah. One girl in particular? Who? Oh,
Yep. Aren't you supposed to be going?
maybe she lived near there.
She.
Oh. Hmm. I seem to have forgotten. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Wow.
Wait, where is she going?
I think they all go as a group.
I thought she went like she got like last place.
Yeah, yeah, but they just go as a group. So those who didn't pass, they just there as like support or whatever. They can buy drinks. Okay.
Now, be fair here, right? Would you go to a place where you're gonna be stuck there 10 kilometers away from the nearest convenience store for the next like 2 or 3 days?
Just to support people. Well, it's like a club, right? I guess they just go together and whatever.
Uh, Wait,
I think that yeah.
okay, it is flying. I was like, is this train? Because they don't
No,
give
no,
it
no.
for
They
free.
did say some of them use the plane. Oh, what a coincidence. Yeah, like for half an hour or so. Oh boy. That's the worst part of meeting people, isn't it? Hmm. Oh yeah, she's the one in the bathroom, I think.
The blonde one, yes.
Yeah, the blonde one. Well, the place doesn't look that bad, right? It's very secluded.
It's very modern.
Yeah, it's very secluded, but very modern, and I think it should be pretty comfortable around there. And you can still buy some stuff from vending machines. I would say
Is this actually like a place for tournaments, or is this just a place for like hot
probably
spring
for.
vacations?
I'm not sure.
It looks like a place for hot spring vacation, especially with all these clothing and the
Maybe I
tatami
don't
and stuff. I don't know.
know. Wow. Look, that's the most generic, useless answer you can say. Like, what kind of guy do you like? Someone who's kind. So, are you saying that there are people who likes people like guys who are not kind? Yeah, that's a bit tough now, isn't it? Especially for her, who has never
Hmm.
even smiled once. I think she smiled maybe in once. I don't know, but rarely.
Is she reading too much shoujo manga?
Yeah, there you go. Well, wow. Wow.
Wow.
Yeah. Well, she doesn't, but it's
Is it
rude.
someone like her father?
Oh, oh, does she have an answer for that? Okay. Uh huh. Of course. The elementary student answer. Ah. Um.
um, um, this suddenly turned, this suddenly
it's
turned
it's
not safe
fine.
for work all of a sudden.
What? What? I really like her expression when she does that though.
She's so innocently dumb.
Yeah. Don't do that. Just sit down somewhere. Oh
And just go
boy.
to the balcony or something.
Yeah. Also, you're ruining the clothes that are given to you from the place, right?
Yeah, seriously.
Also that there's yeah, there's a lot of insects and dust.
Never gets bitten. The hell is that giant thing over there?
You're not even participating. Also, I don't know how she can sleep like that with her face
Yeah,
like
how do you
face
breathe?
down. How do you even breathe? It's going to be
Yeah.
hard to breathe. It's the same thing you wear. Oh, yeah, yeah. Because she looks like a Kokeshi doll, like Shinobu from Kinilla Mosaic. Really? Well, maybe I don't know. What? Where's your room?
There's no
Huh?
way she got lost, right?
Okay, no. She's not Hikari. Uh, so yeah, what happened last week? Why did they
Was it
delay?
actually a recap episode?
I don't know. I don't know actually. Like,
I didn't check either,
but what happened? Like, what happened that made them delay one episode?
but that's the thing though. It's not the only anime that delayed, right? Azur Lane also did.
Well, but that's a different problem. I think maybe. I don't know.
You would think, right? Because I'm not trying to like be condescending on this anime or anything, but
Hmm.
the art style of this thing is not complicated or super detailed.
Well,
It's
yeah,
pretty simple,
yeah.
and they go to like mostly the shooting range and the class with the thing,
Hmm.
right? So
Yeah,
why?
it's not. Yeah. That's true.
Yeah, it shouldn't be taking that much time to actually just make an episode.
Maybe.
It
Yeah,
shouldn't
that's
take
true.
as much effort as most other animes, which are not delayed. Which
Maybe, but we don't know. We don't know the process of them doing this in their studio. Maybe they were already on a very tight schedule before, and someone screwed something up. It's possible.
like in Shirobako,
Yeah, right. Because like the
yeah,
things that happen in Shirobako is like the things that
actually
actually
happened in
happens,
real
and
life. Yeah,
yeah, and it happens like more often than you think. I would say, right?
yeah, that's fair.
Yeah. Well, all right then. I guess that's it. That was Rifle is Beautiful, episode 8. Thank you for watching, and see you all next time. Bye.